the ball again. Ready?
We ready. This is long.
Again. Okay, ready? Woo!
Down the stairs. I can't put a bottom.
Ready?
Me.
Woo!
Down the stairs.
Is that fun? Come down a little bit more. You're making mommy nervous. Come down just a little bit more. Oh, now mommy can throw it again. You ready? Here it comes. Woo.
That's a good game.
That's a good game. Yes, it is.
Again.
Okay. Whee!
The one you do downstairs. One steps.
Again?
Again. Only need to down the steps.
Oh, that was a good one.
Let's again.
Okay. Does Rosie like this game?
Again.
Okay.
We
Woo!
don't do that.
Woo!
Down the stairs again.
Did it hit your arm? Oh my.
Again.
Okay. Whee!
Winky bonky bears. Again.
Again. Woo!
Winky in downstairs.
It bounced right over you. Ready? Woo!
Most go over to you.
Did it bonk your head? Oh my.
Go book him.
Bonk.
No. I've already heard it. No. Again.
Should mommy throw it again?
Little go hide.
Ready? Woo!
Winky wonky, winky wonky. Winky wonky. And again.
Okay. Woo!
Winky winky wonky. Finish step.
Did it go really fast that time?
Again.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
It bounced back up.
Down the stairs.
Down the stairs. It goes down the stairs.
Again.
Mommy throws it up the stairs. Whoa! It bounced back and forth that time. Ready?
I like simple back time.
Okay. Woo! Can you say hi, camera?
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Okay, I think that's a good clip for now. Bye bye.
Should we do it one more time?
Oh, one more time. Okay.
Ready? Woo!
I want my die. I make a bounce.
It was a really good bounce. Oh, yes, it was. All right.
Can
Can you say bye bye, camera?
Bye bye, camera.
See you later.
See you later.